Hello, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Subaru Forester in the workshop. Let's have a look inside. So this vehicle has come in for the DMX7722. So this is a touchscreen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay head unit. So it's wireless and wired. I have my phone hooked up right now, so you can see we've got Android Auto. That gives you access to Google Maps, music streaming apps. So if we have a look, we've got Amazon Music, Spotify, YouTube Music. We've also got WhatsApp, parking apps. There are other apps that are compatible as well. We've also got a DAB stereo with the usual FM. There's also Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming. And one more thing we have done on this vehicle is install a reversing camera. So there's that one there. And there we go.